Hi everyone, I'm Belle. I'm an international living contributor and I'm here in Puerto Morelos today with Kristen, who lives here full time.
Hello.
And yeah, hola, we're in Mexico. If you're looking at living anywhere in Mexico or the Riviera Maya region, just have a look in the description below and click on the link and you'll get a free report on Mexico that covers everything from the low cost of living and how to buy property and all that sort of things, or your visas, and gives you a lot more information. But today we're here to have a chat with Kristen about her fabulous life here in Puerto Morelos. So if you've never heard of Puerto Morelos before, it's about halfway between Playa del Carmen and Cancun. So we're right on the Riviera Maya, right on the beach, gorgeous weather, all the rest of it. So why don't you tell us a little bit about it?
So I'm originally from Boston, Massachusetts.
Okay.
So I came from a much colder climate with snow and all that, which I don't miss. I worked as a paralegal for years and worked long hours, and I was diagnosed with lupus years ago, and it was becoming difficult for me to continue to work full time, so I had to figure out a way to change my lifestyle. And started looking at the idea of moving here. I'd been here several times over the years. I've had family that lived here, and the opportunity came up to buy a property. And my uncle, who was also looking to retire within the next few years, was interested in doing that also. So we were able to kind of get together and buy a 4-unit property here in Puerto Morelos.
Which is where we are. This is Casa Agave, and it's gorgeous. Yeah.
So we came down, put an offer on it, and that was it. I went home and put my house on the market, sold everything I owned, and came here with 3 suitcases.
Yay! Welcome! So obviously you moved for health reasons. How has that worked out? How's the healthcare here?
You know, I was so pleasantly surprised by the healthcare here. I mean, I knew, I had talked to people, and, people said, oh yeah, you can see doctors, and, healthcare is good, but I was worried about being able to find the specialists that I need. But yeah, I just, I found a rheumatologist in Cancun, and there are plenty of doctors here in town as well, but my rheumatologist is in Cancun, and that's only 30 minutes away, and I get fabulous health care here.
Oh, fantastic. That's really good to know. And I mean, obviously you've got the casita, you live on the bottom, not the casita, sorry, Casa Agave. You live on the bottom, then your uncle, and then of course we're in the penthouse.
Yes. And
they also have a casita. Now, can you just explain what a casita is?
So a casita is just a small cottage. It's 2-bedroom, and it's separate from the main house. So it's within the courtyard of Casa Agave, but on the other side of the pool.
Oh, perfect. And between the penthouse and the casita, it still brings in enough passive income for you to live comfortably.
Yeah, I mean, I'm able to live comfortably off of, what I make and off the rentals. And yeah, I mean, you don't need much to live here comfortably.
No,
So
very low cost of living. I only ask because obviously you have specialist appointments and medical bills, and so just, if anyone else does, they know that the cost of living is so low. But in comparison, like, I know that in Australia they're very expensive to see a specialist. Is it the same here?
No, I mean, in the States without health insurance, I mean, I guess the cost to see a specialist would probably be in the hundreds, talking hundreds of dollars.
Yes.
Here I pay about 750 pesos to see my rheumatologist.
For everyone else, that's about $35. Okay, so hundreds compared to 35, enough said.
Yes.
We're good enough. Well, that's wonderful.
Yeah.
And because the cost of living is so low, your dollar does go a lot further. So obviously you can afford to eat out more and things like this. And I mean, what's it like in town? What's your favorite
Yeah, the town is it's a great walkable town, which is what I love about it the most. And we have hundreds of restaurants, so the food is fantastic, but also, it's just a great community. So much to see and do right here in this little town, and yeah, there's plenty of things to do and food to eat.
It is a bit of a foodie town. I've never had a bad meal here. I've been here several times and I love it. Absolutely love Puerto Morelos. And having said that, there's just about every kind of food you could possibly ever want.
There's such a variety of different foods. I personally love Mexican cuisine, but you know, if you don't, that's fine too, because we have everything you could think of here.
Oh yes, all the favourites, burgers and pizzas and
Italian restaurants, yeah.
Yes, my favourite, one of my favourites is a Greek restaurant in town. It's fabulous. So
Indian restaurants, yes, we have it all.
You certainly do. Certainly do. And it's right on the beach. It's a bit of a nature lovers vibe, beach vibe, Caribbean vibe. How would you describe the town?
You know, it's I love the nature. I love coming out in the morning and listening to the birds chirp, and yeah, it's a great community.
It really is, and everyone is so friendly here. Even just walking down the street, or if you eat at a restaurant, you know, the owners come and say hello.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
It's a small town, so we all know each other very well. We're a very close-knit community. We all support each other and each other's businesses. Like, you know the restaurant owners, you know everyone in town, and
So
yeah,
wonderful.
it's a wonderful,
Because that's the
community.
concern when you move abroad or you move to another country. You think, I don't know anyone, and how will I meet people? Is there? But I mean, you have an excellent little expat community here, and it is very supportive, very friendly. And they've got Facebook groups. They all help each other with contractors and work, and it doesn't matter what you need. There's always someone to help.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah,
Yeah.
like you said, Facebook groups. You know, if you have questions about something, you know, just a question about, you know, I need a plumber. Does anyone have a recommendation?
Yeah.
And, you know, 15 people jump on and refer, and you know, it's great too because we support the local community, and yeah, we're always referring people to each other. So yeah.
Oh, that's wonderful. And Casa Agave, they've renovated it beautifully. We're in the penthouse right now. But I want you to see the casita because it's very common in Mexico to have a casita and to rent it out if you have a property. So let's go and have a look at the casita.
Great.
Okay, let's go. Okay, Kristen, let's have a look at your beautiful casita. This is the casita of Casa Agave.
This is the two-bedroom casita, Casa Agave. This is our most popular rental. It's booked pretty much throughout the high season.
Wonderful. Let's take a look. So a casita in Mexico means that it's like a small house, like a villa or an apartment.
Correct. It's separate from the main house here at Casa Agave.
Okay, so we've got a lovely dining area and
Two-bedroom with two twin-size beds, which can also be pushed together for a king size if you come two couples.
oh, perfect. So yeah, oh, lovely big wardrobe.
We have full kitchen.
Oh wow, wonderful. So they can cook. Oh, for someone like me, that makes the world of difference. I love to cook when I go places. Once again, nice big wardrobe, double bed, and bathroom. So it's just like a wonderful little villa.